Hey everybody, this is Andrew. So this is the JARLINK Vertical Laptop Stand. It should be the double laptop stand model. I'm going to open it up for y'all now. So it just opens up here. Basically comes in with this hex wrench that's taped to the bag, as well as the stand itself. So what I'm going to do is take off this packaging and we'll set it up. So here's the stand itself. On this side, there's no labeling, okay? And then on the other side, it does say JARLINK, okay? Not too invasive though, and it comes with this 2-slot design that will slide in and out with 2 kind of separate slots for like a cell phone holder on the side. It's got hex wrenches here that will slide in and out to fit your computer. I have both a mid 2012 MacBook Pro as well as the new M1 model. So my hope is that I'm going to set this up so that I can fit both of those side by side in the vertical format. So what I'll do is I'll set this up and then show you what the computers look like with it set up. Okay, so this is it after adjusting. What I found was the easiest way of doing this was to take my computer very carefully, hold it between my legs, and then put the stand on here and then adjust these in and out till it fit kind of snug but not too tight to hold it up. I want to be careful while I'm holding my other phone, but obviously be careful with your laptop, don't drop it. But that's essentially how I set it up. And then here's what it looks like with the 2 laptops in it. So that one slides right in. It's kind of snug, but comes right out. I feel like it's secure. And then this other one, similar thing, set it up the same way. So now I can put these side by side exactly like that. So there you have it. And then you can even, sorry, I'm coughing. Potentially put your phone right here. So I can put 2 laptops, the phone, and then even if you have another work phone, there's another stand like this on the back, so it's really nice. I'm gonna put it in the corner of my desk and set it there when I wanna keep my laptop closed and just use like the keyboard, mouse, and monitor on its own.